Hola y buenos días. En esta serie, which is the second series from Spanglish Fantástico, I'm building your skills to conversar en español. La idea is I'm giving you un modelo because yo hablo inglés y when I have una palabra, a word en español, and I put it in, I'm hablando inglés con español. And you can do that until you get to the point where you can hablar inglés con español, hablar español con un poco de inglés y hablar español puro para expresar todas tus ideas. La pregunta, the question, y la respuesta, the answer, is the format for these lessons. Y la pregunta de hoy es, where are you from? Which is from where are you? Which is de dónde eres? Mi respuesta, soy inglesa. And what I'll do is put una lista of the different nationalities in the description so that you can have a look at those. If I asked Brucey, ¿de dónde eres? He would say, soy escocés. If I asked John, ¿de dónde eres? He would say, soy estadounidense. So we've got one Scottish person, one American person. Estadounidense is like saying United Statesian, States United, Estados Unidos. American, estadounidense. Quite a long word. Scottish is escocés. Or if we're talking to Granny Mabel, ¿de dónde eres? Soy escocesa, de Escocia, from Scotland. Okay? So we're going to get that list. Have a look in the comments, in the description of the country and the nationality. Escocia, escocés, escocesa. Inglaterra, inglés, inglesa. Estados Unidos, estadounidense, whether it's a man or a woman. But I want you to use your español. So think of a group of your amigos or the people that you know, las personas en tu vida, and pretend that you're asking them, just like I did. Okay? So we can say, Lee, ¿de dónde eres? Soy galés. And that means I'm Welsh, okay? I want you to use your español. If you don't use it, it won't become yours. It won't go into your cerebro. So we can also adapt that question so that it becomes, where is it from? Or where is he from? Or where is she from? Or where are you from formally? And that is, from where are you? ¿De dónde es? Or from where is it? ¿De dónde es? They're all the same. From where is she? ¿De dónde es? Okay? So you could use your español. Por ejemplo, I like this bread. Me gusta el pan. ¿De dónde es? Es del supermercado. It's from the supermarket. See? Or este vino es muy bueno. ¿De dónde es? Es un vino argentino. O es de los Estados Unidos, este vino. Okay? Use your español. Ask the question, ¿de dónde es? And now I'd like to ask you, have you ever been mistaken for being from another place? I know mi acento es un poco diferente. Some people have confused me with being holandesa. No soy holandesa, soy inglesa. Has that ever happened to you? Could you put it in the comments? Put it in this form. No soy holandesa, soy inglesa. Y finalmente, I want to know how much, cuánto, entendiste? So that means how much did you understand? And to do that, you would put in the comments, yo entendí 100%, if it was 100%, or yo entendí 80%, and that would be 80%. So do let me know. Get in contact with me if you would like to, so that you know what you're learning, and I can send you, if you write to me, ruth@spanglishfantastico.com, I can send you a list of what we are learning, because if you know what you're learning in inglés, then that triggers, oh, actually, I can say that in español, and then you can practicar. Oh, where's that from? Ah, I can say that in español. ¿De dónde es? Okay, you get la idea. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it con tus amigos, and come back for the next one when we're going to be talking about la familia. Hasta pronto. Adiós.